I am back, and today I have a new video. I haven't been doing a lot of makeup videos lately just because, I don't know, I feel like they're not that interesting nowadays. I feel like everyone is just doing more entertaining things, which honestly I am down for. I love doing challenges and just funny things. So I am working on something a little bit different. It's, you know, with outfits and fall. Just stay ready for that because honestly I'm excited for that video. So today I was inspired to do a brown smoky eye, but with a little bit of that fall color in there. As you can see, I am so excited for fall. I don't know about y'all, but if you want to know how to get this look, or if you're just interested in watching it, or if you want to get inspired, go ahead and keep watching. To prep my eyelids, I'm gonna take my MAC Pro Longwear Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. Moving on to the eyeshadows, I'm going to take my Morphe 350M palette, and I'm going to take this color and use it as my transition shade. It is very important to blend in between, and by that I mean that I would add that color in and then go back and blend, and then add more color and blend until I got that desired color that I wanted. It's just gonna make your eyeshadow look a lot more flawless. Now I'm taking this brown eyeshadow and taking a flat brush and making sure I pack the color in and just keep building up the color until I get it to be this dark. Now that I have it as dark as I want, they look kind of similar, but the only thing that doesn't look good is that harsh line. So what I did is I went back into that red brick color and I started blending out that line to make it all fade and look pretty. Now I'm taking this black eyeliner and tightlining my eyes, and then I also took a black liquid eyeliner and just did a regular eyeliner. I didn't wing it out or anything because I wanted the main focus to be on the eyeshadow. And now for my favorite part, the eyelashes. These are the Lily lashes in the style Luxe, and then after I did that, I just took a little bit of mascara and blended my lashes to the fake lashes just to make them look a little more natural. I also went back in with the black liquid eyeliner and just went over the bend of the lash just to make it look more natural, you know, trying to have the glue. And really quickly, I'm gonna do my whole face makeup off camera. Now I'm gonna take my Anastasia Beverly Hills M Reezy highlight, and now let's just take a moment because it is so beautiful. We're gonna apply this to my inner tear duct area to make the eyes pop just a little more. Now I'm taking that red color and applying this all over the bottom lash line, and I'm also going to be taking that brown color, but I'm going to focus this on the outer part of the bottom lash line. And since I have a lot of dark colors going on, I decided to use a cream color eyeliner instead of a black, just to make my eyes look a little bigger. And after that, the only thing left is mascara, so I am going to apply a little bit of mascara to my bottom lashes, and that is all for this look. Alright, so I hope everyone enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a like. Also, go ahead and subscribe while you're here. Be sure to stay positive and be thankful for what you have. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!